Hey friends, I just wanted to share something with you that might save you a little money and also save your clothes. If you're like me, I use fabric softener and I notice that it coats my clothes and they feel weird. So I think I'm going to have to strip them, and this is what I purchased to replace the fabric softener. I went to Buff City Soap. We have one in our area. If you have one in your area, I highly suggest you check it out. They have great soaps, but they also have this. I purchased some dryer balls, and these are made of wool. There's 3 of them. I gave $15 plus tax for these. Now let's look at them. They reduce wrinkles, cruelty free. You can rescent them in 30 days, and also they speed up your dryer time. When you take them back to rescent them, it only costs around $5, and that's $5 a month compared to buying fabric softener. There are 3 balls in the package. I will say this, you can buy wool balls at Walmart a little bit cheaper, but they don't come scented, or I didn't find any that were. I am curious as to how they scent these balls, and perhaps I could do it myself. I may check into that. But anyways, I am not getting promoted by Walmart or Buff City Soap to tell you these things. They do not pay me money for this. Let me read you some of the things on the package. It says pure cruelty-free merino wool from the cutest sheep in New Zealand may contain fragrance. Then you just toss 3 to 6 dryer balls into the dryer with each load of laundry. They can be used scented or unscented. Buff City has several scents to choose from. They also make soap too. I was visiting my sister one day and she had these, and I was just so impressed by the scent and what she was telling me, so I just had to go get some. So thank you to my sister Judy for recommending these to me. Now, if you're someone who does a lot of laundry, you might want 6 balls, but I only bought 3. I'm going to see how that goes. I did use this one time, and I loved it. I absolutely loved it. My clothes smell and feel just so fresh, and they don't have that coating that fabric softener leaves on your clothes. I'm going to try these out for about a month, and I will give you an update on this, Lord willing. And if you have a Buff City near you, you might want to try these too. Or you may have a store in your area that scents these dryer balls for you as well. So this might be worth checking out.